Welcome sa ating second part ng lesson, which is solving system of linear equation. This time, tuturo ko naman sa inyo how to solve system of linear equation by elimination or addition method sa ibang term. Okay, now let us recall yung pinag-aralan natin last time, which is the first method. So in that method, I suggest na gamitin nyo siya if the given is written in slope-intercept form or yung y is equal to mx plus b. So this time, kung i-observe nyo ang ating given, siya ay nakasulat in both standard form para sa ating equation 1 at sa ating equation 2. So this time, I suggest na gamitin nyo ang method na to, which is elimination, if the given is written both in standard form. So ito yung mas madaling method. And why do we call this one as addition method? So magsosolve tayo ng system of linear equation by adding the two equation. Then let me give you some hint or yung mas madaling technique paano ba tayo makakapag-solve nito. So observe our given in number 1. So in this topic, your goal is to eliminate one of the terms sa ating equation. It's either yung term na merong x or yung term na merong y. So dalawa lang naman yung inyong pagpipilian. So for number 1, ito yung tinatawag natin na pinakamadaling given. Why? Because since our goal is to eliminate one term, and in this given, if we perform addition, meron na kaagad tayong term na pwedeng ma-eliminate. Kasi meron na tayong negative 4x dito and then positive 4x. If we're going to add the two, dahil siya ay opposite sign and then same yung given, ibig sabihin, may eliminate na siya or maka-cancel because when we add, the answer is 0. So for number 1, diretso na kaagad tayo through the process of addition. So we have eliminate na siya or 0. Then negative 2, positive 8, we have positive 6y. Then both negative yung given, i-add natin. So we have negative 12 plus negative 24 is negative 36. Okay, now we have already 6y is equal to negative 36. To get the value of y, we have to divide both sides by 6 para matanggal siya dyan. And makuha lang natin yung eksaktong value ng y. So this will be y is equal to negative 36 divided by 6. We have negative 6. Now, we are done with our first step. Nakakuha na tayo ng value of one of our variable. Ibig sabihin, ang kailangan na lang natin ngayong kunin is yung value ng x para magkaroon na tayo ng solution. In getting the other value for the other variable, you may use any of the two equations. So, pwedeng gamitin mo yung equation 1 and yung equation 2 para i-substitute yung value na una mong nakuha. So, pwede kang pumili kung ano yung mas madali para sa'yo na gamitin. So, let's say, gusto mo positive yung values ng ating first and second given or term. So, gagamitin ko yung equation 2. But, kung gagamit naman kayo ng equation 1, pareho lang tayo ng magiging sagot. So, any of the two. Let's say I will use equation 2, which is 4x plus 8y equals negative 24 para i-substitute yung negative 6. So, instead of writing y, 4x plus 8, isa-substitute ko na yung value niya na negative 6. Then, simplify. I have 4x. Then, positive 8 times negative 6, we have negative 48 equals negative 24. Now, our goal is to get the value of x. Ibig sabihin, kailangan siya lang yung value na nandito sa, or Siya lang yung term na nandito sa left side. So, gamit tayo ng addition property of equality or APE para maalis natin yung negative 48. So, ang kanyang additive inverse is positive 48. So, i-add natin siya both sides by positive 48. So, we have 4x minus 48. Then, i-add ko siya sa positive 48 para ma-eliminate is equal to negative 24. Then, kung ano yung in-add ko dito, yun din sa kabila. Since siya ay equal. So, we have positive 48. Then, simplify. Ibig sabihin, makakancel ko na to. So, ang matitira na lang dito ay 4x equals negative 24 plus 48. We have positive 24. Since mas malaki yung 48. So, ngayon, pwede ko na makuha yung value ng x. Pero, kailangan alisin ko yung 4 dito. So, we will divide both sides by 4 para matanggal natin yung 4 beside x. So, dividing both sides by positive 4, I will get the value of x which is positive 6. Ibig sabihin, ang solution sa ating system of linear equation ay 6. So, yung x muna, 6, negative 6. Ito na ngayon yung tinatawag natin na solution. Okay? Now, for us to check, tama ba talaga yung solution na nakuha natin? Pwede rin natin siyang i-check through the process of substitution. So, i-substitute lang natin yung value na nakuha natin for x and y for both of our equation. So, unahin natin yung equation 1. We have negative 4x minus 2y equals negative 12. So, instead of writing x and y, substitute na natin yung 6 and negative 6. So, we have negative 4 times 6 minus 2 times negative 6 equals negative 12. Negative 4 times 6 is negative 24. Then negative 2 times negative 6, parehong negative, so we have positive 12. Then, simplify natin yung left side. Negative 24, positive 12. So magkaiba, ibig sabihin ima-minus natin, then copy the sign of the higher number. So we have negative 12. So kung mapapansin nyo, nag-equal. Ibig sabihin, na-satisfy natin yung equation 1. What about for equation 2? So for equation 2, we have 4x plus 8y equals negative 24. So, i-substitute na natin. We have 4 times 6 plus 8 times negative 6 equals negative 24. Then, 4 times 6 is positive 24. 8 times negative 6, we have negative 48. Magkaiba tayo ng, or ang ating given ay 24 minus 48. Ibig sabihin, the answer here is negative 24 equals negative 24. Again, nasatisfy natin yung second equation. So, meaning, ang ating solution is correct for number 1. Let us have example number 2. So, our given is 5x plus y equals 9 and 10x minus 7y equals negative 18. So, observe that sa ating second given, wala tayong term na the same pero magkaiba ng sign. So, ibig sabihin, wala tayong pwede kaagad na ma-eliminate or ma-cancel. In number 2, kapag ganito ang ating given, take note that pwede tayong mag-multiply any number sa ating any of the equation para magkaroon tayo ng same term with different sign. So, i-observe natin ano yung pwede nating baguhin na equation. If this is 5x and this is 10x, so pwede nating i-multiply yung first term sa negative 2 para ang maging sagot natin dito ay negative 10. So, if we have y and negative 7y, pwede rin naman na i-multiply natin yung lahat ng terms natin sa positive 7 para ang maging middle term natin ay 7y. Okay, so ibig sabihin, any method or any technique para magkaroon ka ng term na pwedeng ma-eliminate, pwede yon. So let's say, ang pipiliin ko na i-multiply sa first equation is 7. Positive 7. Ibig sabihin, ang magiging first equation na natin ay 7 times 5x is 35x. 7 times positive y is positive 7y. Then 7 times 9 is 63. Okay, next. We have second equation, wala na tayong babaguhin. So, kokopyahin lang natin yan. So, our second equation is 10x minus 7y equals negative 18. Now, meron na tayong parehong term na magkaiba ng sign. So, pwede na tayong mag-add. Of course, our first term, 35 plus 10, we have 45x. Then, ang ating middle term ay makakancel. Then, for our last term, 63 minus 18. So, we have 45. Positive. Since magkaiba sila ng sign, minus natin. So, the answer is 45. Para makuha natin yung value ng x, divide both sides by 45, which is yung coefficient ng ating x. So, the value of x will be 45 divided by 45 is 1. So, ngayon, meron na tayong value for the first variable. Next step is to substitute this value to any of the equation na given. Sa pagsasubstitute, pwede nyong gamitin yung equation na binago na natin or yung equation na hindi pa. So, any of the given pwede. So, let's say, isa-substitute ko yung x equals 1 sa ating original equation 1. So, substituting this one in equation 1, which is 5x plus y equals 9. Papalitan ko na ng 1 yung x. We have 5 times 1 plus y equals 9. Then, 5 plus y equals 9. To get the value of y, kailangan maalis ko to dito. So, ano ang additive inverse ng positive 5? We have negative 5. So, i-add natin siya both sides by negative 5. Negative 5 plus 5 plus y equals 9. Then, kung ano yung in-add ko dito, ganun din sa dulo. So, we have plus negative 5. Okay, so we have 5 plus 5 is 0. So, matitira ay y. Then, 9 plus negative 5, magkaiba ng sign, so ima-minus natin. The answer is 4. Meron na tayo ngayong value ng x and value ng y, and that is our solution. So, ang solution na nakuha natin ay 1, 4. Now, to check if our solution is correct, we can do the checking by substituting the value of x and y sa ating equation. So, for equation 1, we have 5x plus y equals 9. If x is 1 and y is 4, we have 5 times 1 plus 4 equals 9. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 equals 9. So, simplify. 5 plus 4 is 9 equals 9. Ibig sabihin, equation 1 is nasatisfy ng ating solution. What about the second equation? Or 10x minus 7y equals negative 18. We have 10 times 1 minus 7 times 4 equals negative 18. 10 times 1 is 10 minus 7 times 4 is 28 equals negative 18. So 10 minus 28 is negative 18. Ibig sabihin, nasatisfy din natin yung second equation. In short, our answer is correct, which is 1, 4.